You see these bags that I have? Damn, it be the closest. It be the people closest to you, like. My man Palermo Stone, legendary rapper out of Pittsburgh. He and I have built a relationship through the years, just on some outside of rap, outside of just me being a fan of his music. Run into him so many different occasions out and about in the city. He started a brand, I believe, a few years ago, and the shit is fire. Like, I'm really, really excited to unbox these joints. 2 different items. Also, we got one shirt from Caitlin's Whatnot shop. So I got 3 things to open. Whatnot. I'm about to open up a Whatnot joint. All right, so here go the first one. Shout out to Palermo Stone. Shout out to Everything's Fine. The designs they got is just fire. Like this hoodie, I think this is a zip up. Come on, man. Large. First of all, I appreciate the packaging. You know, whenever this is what I love about brands, underground brands, is the packaging. You see how tight this feels? When you get shit from the store, it don't be nicely folded and packaged like this. You don't like skulls?
But that's fire though.
Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. Yeah, that's hot.
This
I
is
love
fire.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is fire. Remember I said I got a zip up? You can wear this. So it said, on the back it says,
I thought you was gonna give me that Dollar General, like, what you hate. That's fire.
Nothing is wrong with darkness, provided you control the switch. Nothing is wrong with darkness, provided you control the switch. Yeah, like the details. They're like, the shit that they've dropped is dope. Everything's fine. And look, it's like a crop drawing too.
What's another word for a crop? Like,
yeah, it's a cut.
like,
I don't know. I gotta step my vintage or my fashion slang up. It should be like a fashion dictionary, hood fashion dictionary. Here we go. This joint hot though. Everything's fine. Okay. Dope. Quality. This joint thick. This is thick, but it's not like it's you know what I mean? It's still light. It's thick, but it's a nice, the inside. Nice sturdy zipper. You can rock this in a multitude of ways. Shout out to Everything's Fine. I got another piece from Everything's Fine. Again, the packaging. Look, this is what I was saying about the packaging. When you buy stuff from the store, even if it's folded, it's not this nicely tight wrap. That's why I love underground brands. You know what I mean?
take that with it.
Like, look at this. This is just, Here we go.
Here, when you come tomorrow, you chilling.
Everything's fine. I love it. Look, simple.
Yeah. The wash of it is fine.
So look, on some fashion shit now, I can take it from here.
Yeah. I think, yeah.
Everything's fine. This shit hot. Appreciate my guy Palermo Stone. Everything's fine. The brand. My bad. Grab that. Everything's fine. Subscribe to the channel. Comment. All of that. Follow my personal brand. Money Never Made Me Being Broke did on Threads, Instagram, Twitter. We'll figure it out.